Alright guys, long on NASDAQ here. Entered using this, right here. Stop loss below this candle's low. And below this bullish order block as well. So we have a good bit of barriers protecting us. We have this clustering new week opening gaps and then this new day opening gap. And this level here is the consequent encroachment of the daily fair value gap formed on October 27th, this high here. So you can see on the 15-minute chart, really respecting this daily fair value gap consequent encroachment, closing above it. The 1-minute candles closing above the consequent encroachment of the daily fair value gap here. We'll stop to break even once we get to this level and take partial. You can see the price action today is a little bit messy with how the wicks are moving here. Would have been very easy to get stopped out. As ICT says, the wicks do the damage. So on a market like this, you have to manage your risk and trade very carefully. Okay, gonna stop to break even now. Take a partial. Okay, we're out there. As I said, in a market like today's, it's very important to manage risk and trade properly. Took a partial here, moved stop to break even, locked in some profits, and we're out of the position. Good trade management on a day like this. Alright guys, entered another long position this PM session. We have this bullish order block. Price comes down to the lower quadrant of the daily wick, targeting these equal highs, this buy side liquidity here. On this leg, the small leg down, we took out sell side below here. I'm not interested in pyramiding, but this would be a good place to add to your position. With just above the consequent encroachment of this inversion fair value gap, and was a quick displacement past this clustering of new week and new day opening gap, and we have the daily fair value gap consequent encroachment here. That's a key level. As you can see, we've been oscillating around that. In the last hour, I expect us to take out high here. Okay, we wicked past this down close candle, change in state of delivery there. And once we close above the high of this candle, we validate it as a bullish order block. Okay, stop to break even. Wick into the mean point threshold of that bullish order block. Would like to see it stay above the daily fair value gap consequent encroachment here. Again, this is the importance of taking partials and managing your risk properly. My first trade I took a partial, second trade I took a partial, and that's the correct way to properly manage risk. Our narrative is to see it reach to this buy side liquidity. It need not do that in this session. Therefore, we have to make sure that we're taking in partials and trailing our stop, locking in profits. All right, we're out there. I took the partial, moved the stop to break even, got stopped out. I took 2 trades today, locked profits in for both with partials, and I'm very happy with my executions. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.